how to sell home improvement products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell your own products using this platform. So first of all, let's explain the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. And as you can see in here, there are a lot of products in this platform, and there are a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to be one of these sellers and make a lot of money yourselves. So let's just choose one of these products just to show you an example of what you're going to learn in today's video. So let's choose this product, for example. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a shop page exactly like this one, how to add the pictures of your product or the video if you have one, something like this, how to add as many pictures as you have, how to enter the price of the product, and how to enter the description. This one, as you can see, the description in here, how to add the options if there is any, and how to add the product's details, like if it's handmade or not, the materials of the product, the color, style. And the last thing you're going to see is how to set the shipping and return policies. So let's just close this page and let's go back to the main page, which is this one. Go up, click on the shop manager button in your top right. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. And in order to do that, you will need to go through 6 steps. The first step is the shop preferences. Then comes name in your shop, then stock in your shop, then you choose how you get paid, you set up the payment or the payment processors, then you end with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. So here you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So for example, let's change the currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is naming your shop. So here, let's choose this name, for example, for our shop, home improvement, and here let's add products. Let's leave it at preview. So here, home improvement products, and then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stock in your shop. And here you add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So before we proceed to adding the pictures of the product and the details, first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields that we need to fill in order to proceed to the next step. And here, as you can see, we have 4 required details or 4 required fields. The first one is photos, and here you will need to at least upload 1 photo. Then you have the inventory. Here you will need to enter the price of the product. Then comes the listing details, and here you will need to fill all of these read fields. And the same thing as well with the shipping. You have a lot of read fields to fill. So let's start from the first step, which is photos. And here add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then for the video, bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So we start with the title. Here enter the title of the product. Then you have 3 questions to go through. The first one is who made it. You have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from. Not yet made, recently or vintage. Let's go with recently. Then for the category, let's just enter the product's name and you will have a lot of categories to choose from. So here, let's choose the first category and then you will have some additional details to fill, like the craft type of the product. Let's choose them both, home improvement and woodworking and carpentry. Then you have the primary color of the product. Let's go with brown. Secondary color, let's go with blue. And for the sustainability, let's select them both. Then for the renewal options, if you want to go with the automatic renewal or the manual one, so guys, the automatic costs 20 cents each time and the manual is free. So I'm going to choose the manual. And for the type, if it's a physical product or a digital product. And then for the description, in order guys to enter a good description for your product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say, shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners. If you have one, you can add them in here, add their details. If not, just close this one. Then for the section tags and materials, all of them are optional, so let's just skip them for now. Then comes the pricing. So here make sure to give your product a fair price for you and for your clients. Then you have the shipping, and as I said in the beginning, just make sure to fill all of these fields with the right information, obviously. Then the last thing is the returns and exchanges policy. You can apply the 30 days policy, or you can choose another one, or you can even create your own policy. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.